rev up your engines. Today I'm going to answer the question, can you actually suck dents out of your vehicle? Now this Toyota has a giant dent pushed in here. Let's see what happens. First we'll just wet the suction cup. The eyes work better when they're wet. Then we'll just put it on the dented area, squeeze it tight. Now it's on nice and tight. Then we pull it out. Then we release it. Now it's flush again. Suction power can do a lot, especially in flatter areas like that. But you can get these things in various sizes. You get larger ones, medium ones, even little bitty small ones. And here's a trick I learned years ago. Boil some water on your stove in a big pan and pour it all over the dent area. Then put the suction cup on and it'll hold better. Plus the heat often makes the metal get more flexible so it'll pop out better. This hot water method works especially well on these stupid plastic bumper assemblies. They're always getting dinged and pushed in, and hey, they're plastic. You get them hot, a little suction, a lot of times, boom, you can pull the stuff out without having to pull the whole bumper out and then bashing it from the inside and fixing it that way. As you can see, it can be a royal pain taking all the parts apart, jacking the car up in the air, pulling the tire off, reaching inside and removing all the fasteners so you can get the bumper to come apart and try to fix it from the inside. And when you have small dents like hail damage, here's another trick. You hook it up and you pull up and down on it vigorously to make it pop out. Now doing fine work like this, you have to do it numerous times, keep putting hot water on it, but you eventually can get a pretty good job just using suction. Sure, you can feel a tiny little dent here, but it's a lot shallower than it was to begin with. And the advantage of the suction is, if you're careful and work slowly, you're not going to chip the paint. If you have a regular dent and you bash it out, then you got to sand it down to bare metal, repaint it, and of course, since the human eye can see millions of gradations of color, you'll never match the paint perfectly without painting the entire car. So really, a little hot water, a little suction cup tool, and a little bit of elbow grease, you can often get your car looking a lot better for practically nothing. The water's practically free, and these suction cups, hey, they're like $8 or $10. They hardly cost anything. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving away a set of these dent pulling suction cups. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be randomly chosen by computer to get some nice suction cups to make your car look better. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.